The need for reliable and effective communication methods has grown exponentially in recent years. With digital technology, businesses of all sizes had to stay connected with their customers, partners, and employees. But there is an easy way where you can obtain smoother communication for your enterprise with VitalPBX. VitalPBX offers a comprehensive solution that caters to every size of business, from startups to large multinational companies. Enterprises across the globe have come together with VitalPBX to help propel their business forward with its powerful features, cost-saving opportunities, and global reach. Its platform offers an array of features designed for businesses of any size that are both reliable and secure. VitalPBX allows users to customize their communication platforms to best suit their individual needs. It also provides unified communications with mobility options that give customers access from anywhere in the world. Whether it's audio, video calling, or messaging services, VitalPBX can provide top-notch technology solutions that fit any budget. Besides its impressive products, VitalPBX also offers professional support teams to help customers get set up and running quickly and effectively. Enterprises of all sizes can now benefit from unified communications through the use of VitalPBX. Try VitalPBX today.